See now how the jQuery will work. We'll create one simple form in the jQuery. So what I do now? So here I'll go and create a file to jQuery. I'll save this as usual .html extension. So I'm going to save here. Create a file. So this is my jQuery file now. So here, as usual, you'll use HTML. Only thing is, the header you'll give the jQuery URL. So how you give like a bootstrap. Similarly, same way for jQuery also, we give one thing here, body. So inside the body, what I do, I'm going to create one form. So here you can specify action if you want, and name of the form, registration, or employee registration, something like this. So this is my form. Label for person. So you could able to access the label also if you want. So here I'll take input type equals to text, name equals to first name, value equals to first name. Last name. So this is my form. Now let's go and run this form. So it is like this. So let me apply the bootstrap now. It is like this. When you apply the bootstrap, by default, see, it is going to give some styles to it. So what I do, I'm going to create one division. Now it is coming like this. Similarly, so if you give the label, all the labels will have the width of 100 pixel. See, we could have to see what else style we have. So and for this, this is my form. So height, uh, 200 sufficient. Okay, like this. So now this is my registration form. And so here I'll give some label to it. First name is required, or here only can give the required. So on validation, okay. So while we giving this required, so now if I want to read this value in the jQuery, what you need to do? So we need a jQuery CDN. What is that CDN? jQuery CDN link. We need a CDN link so that we could able to work with this. This is the one. The Google APIs. So now we could able to work with jQuery. How you will work? I want to read the first name value. How to read? For example, here we have a button. For this, let me give some ID. Either you can write this way, or you can write a button click function also. So now how to read the values? Very simple. Let, similarly like JavaScript, here also we'll be having let const or var let f name equals, very simple, it is dollar first name dot var. So like this we could be able to read the values. So instead of this, I'll write the button click event. How? Like this. No need to write this function like that. Here. Like this. This is jQuery button click function. And also here I'll give two buttons. Let's assume plus for expand, minus. I have two buttons. This is to collapse, this is to expand. So how we will do it will work. Add equals to expand. So when you click on this, similar like this, when you click on this, what you need to do, expand, you have to show this. What will do, it is going to show that particular button. So now I'll give one more. Where is button id equals to collapse. So similar like this. Right. So once you click on this, no, nothing happening. Let's debug this. Why it is not working? On click is not a function. Still it is giving a button on click event. Where is that? Click only is there. Yes, it should hide now. Yes. X. I should show now. And register is submitted because it is. Let's make a button. Last name. Let's display the alert first last. In this case, this is how our jQuery will work. So you can have calculator, number, everything you can do it here. Like how you have earlier we have a calculator function, right? Uh, calc, JavaScript calc. You can same thing you can make in jQuery also. So what you need? You need this plugin. So no need of like this $dot well that's it. Dollar dot well addition. It is subtraction. So you can pass one variable here and so let means local scope. I'll give where so that it can come outside of the block also. What is missing here? Oh, ash is missing. 10, 20. Once you click on add, what will happen? Again, it won't assign to result because result also missing hash. 10, 20. Addition. It should be 30. Subtraction, -10. No. Okay. This is also we are doing addition only. 15. Subtraction, -5. Clear. Not yet implemented. So for the clear, this is the exit function. Okay, guys. This is how JavaScript jQuery will work.